Musically.
Drop the music.
Alright.
She's a daddy's girl.